Mastering idioms. Understanding, go to great pains. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language to uncover the meanings and uses of various expressions. Today, we're focusing on a particularly interesting phrase, go to great pains. Stick around as we explore what this idiom means, how to use it in everyday conversation, and the context behind it. When someone says they go to great pains to do something, they're not talking about physical pain. Instead, this idiom means that they are putting in a lot of effort or going through considerable trouble to achieve a specific task or to ensure something is done correctly and thoroughly. The pains here symbolize the metaphorical effort or the lengths someone is willing to go to, not actual physical pain. Let's dissect this phrase a bit more. Go to suggests taking action or embarking on a process. Great amplifies the degree of effort or commitment involved. Pains metaphorically represents the care, meticulousness, or effort put into the action. When combined, these words convey a strong dedication and meticulous attention to the task at hand. To grasp this idiom fully, let's see it in action. She went to great pains to ensure her guests were comfortable, preparing their favorite dishes and arranging the perfect playlist. The craftsman goes to great pains to create his masterpieces, often spending weeks on a single piece. I went to great pains to get this report accurate, triple-checking every statistic and reference. Notice how in each instance, the phrase emphasizes the extraordinary effort or attention to detail someone has put into their work. Understanding the cultural context of idioms is crucial. Go to great pains is often used to highlight someone's dedication, meticulousness, or exceptional effort. It's a positive phrase that recognizes and respects the hard work and attention someone has put into their tasks. However, it can sometimes be used sarcastically or humorously to imply that the effort might be more than what the situation warrants. That's a wrap on go to great pains. We hope you now feel comfortable using this idiom in your daily conversations to express dedication and meticulous effort. Remember, mastering idioms is a great way to enrich your language skills and sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to go to great pains to perfect your English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.